Hey everybody, happy Saturday. I am a day late with my vlog today, and I'm going to tell you why in just a minute. So welcome back, or welcome for the first time. I'm Sarah from Sheet Chalking and Design, and this is my weekly vlog where I update you on everything that's happened in the past week and everything that's coming in the week to come. So thanks for being here. Stick around and you'll find out what we've been up to. So first and foremost, cheers. Saturday morning coffee today instead of Friday. Yesterday was a bit of a whirlwind for us, for me in particular. It was a PA day, so the girls were off of school and we had a friend here, and there just was no time for videoing and for editing and the things that needed to happen. First and foremost, my family is always the priority. So you'll have to grant me a little bit of grace when I'm not quite able to maintain that consistent schedule that I really want to be able to maintain for you. And I know I can hear my husband's voice in the back of my head saying I should have had this all filmed ahead of time, but to be perfectly honest with you, and I want to say that I am going to be incredibly transparent on this channel, things just sort of fell apart this week. And that's going to happen. And that's part of the content that I want to share here. I think as women in particular, we are far too hard on ourselves, and we have these goals and objectives, and we have this view of what should be in our head, and that's different for everyone, but we hold ourselves accountable to that almost to a fault. And I want to give some voice to the fact that that shouldn't be the case, that you should grant yourself some grace. Things are going to go off the rails occasionally, and you need to be able to navigate through that successfully, and not beat yourself up about it, and come out on the other side with, okay, I learned from that, and here's what we're going to do differently the next time. And certainly I have learned from that. I think that I've got some pretty high expectations of myself, and of the growth for this business, and I need to be a little bit more realistic. So I'm going to share with you a little bit about how my week went and what are some of the things that I did, not only from the business perspective, but from a personal perspective as well. So I hope you'll stick around and check it out. So last week when I left you on Friday, I actually did what I said I was going to do, and I drove to our retreat location, which is incredibly exciting. I got some amazing footage that I will insert here. That project certainly is taking up a great deal of my time, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to get together. I think we're at 23 people now, and I'm excited to get together with these ladies. It's all women. It was open to anyone, but it's all women who decided to come, and they are all telling me the same story, and it's so wonderful and heartwarming. They just want to break, and they want to be able to escape and have time to themselves, to relax and recenter and craft and create and make new friends. Most of the people coming know maybe one person, but they don't know anybody else. So it's going to be fabulous, and I can't wait to share that with you, and share that with them. So that's taken up a good deal of my time this week. We also changed up our filming schedule, or our live schedule, I guess, this week. And that worked out well. I think we'll repeat that for a couple of weeks, just to see, again, we're testing the waters to see what's going to work and how we can balance out live creation, both on Facebook platform, but also here on YouTube. And also being able to create filmed content and print content, and finding a balance in how we can fit all of that in. So I think we'll repeat that, and I will release the weekly schedule on Sundays. So be sure to look for that. If you're not already in our Facebook community, there is a link to that down below in the description, so you can come and join me there. That's where you will find all sorts of links to inspirational projects and any sales and specials that I have happening, as well as the workshop schedule. All of that is over on the business page on Facebook, as well as hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be starting the email newsletter. We were able to get our live done up here in the living room, and the space has been completely styled for fall, and there's a little bit of Halloween trickled in. I keep looking around to see it. It's a beautiful space, and that's one of the reasons that I like to do these projects, is so that I can help teach others how to create decor pieces inexpensively on a budget, because let's be realistic, we're all on a budget right now. But you all deserve to have beautiful spaces to be in for yourself and for your family. And it just makes me feel really warm right here. To be able to look around and see the things that I created, and to have a beautiful space for my family to be in. So I will drop some of that footage here so you can see, but if you are looking for the full live, it is here on YouTube, and I will link it in the cards somewhere. I don't know where, but somewhere. One of the other things that I did last week that was really exciting was I filmed a recipe video. So I told you I was going to expand the content on this channel. And so I went ahead and found a recipe that I was trying for the first time for the family, and I filmed it for you. I haven't edited it yet, but I will give you a sneak peek here. So that's what they look like on the inside. I just took a bite, and they are incredibly moist. They're not, and that recipe turned out amazing. So there will be a full review with credit given to the recipe author. And I will link the website for the recipe down below in the description as well. When I do the full video on the review and the step-by-step instructions, I will also link her there. But she is a fabulous creator. So what's happening in the week ahead? I'm excited to share some of these things with you. There will be 4 lives this week, 2 of them here on YouTube and 2 of them on Facebook. And you can always find that schedule over in the Facebook community. I will link it down below, and also on Instagram, so you can find it there. I always post in my stories on Instagram daily, so that's a great place to keep up to date in the moment, because that stuff is a little bit easier to update as it comes. But what's happening in the week ahead? Well, first and foremost, the kids are here again today, and there's lots of antics happening. So I'll be sure to drop some of those images for you right here. So moving into next week, so first week of October, and it is Wednesday, is Addison's 10th birthday. I can't believe it's been 10 years. My goodness. So we will be celebrating this week, and I'm sure I will bring you along on some of those celebrations. So watch for those. Also really exciting this week is I'm starting a 7-day challenge. I realized that at some point last week, I had this moment where I was like, there are 90 days left in 2021. And what do I want to accomplish in those 90 days? And I've let some of my healthy habits slide a little bit, and I want to really rein that in. So I'm starting with a 7-day challenge. The whole month of October is a series of challenges. The first 7 days starts tomorrow, Sunday, if you're watching this. So that would be October the 3rd. And there's still time to join. Just leave me a message in the comments and I can get you there. It's absolutely free. It's more of a healthy eating challenge and some healthy habits, laying the foundation for the remainder of October. And I'd be happy to get you more information. I'll leave an image here. The workshop schedule is well underway, so I am ordering supplies and all of those things for those workshops and finalizing the retreat. It really has keeping me very, very busy. And again, there will be 4 full lives this week, 4 new projects for me to share with you, and I'm excited for that, and to bring you along on some of the antics that are our life. One of the most important things and exciting things I think is happening is we're running a contest. And that contest is for all subscribers on my YouTube channel. And all you have to do is like and comment on as many videos as I have uploaded. And that contest closes on Tuesday, October the 5th. So if you're watching this after that, I'm sorry, the contest is closed, but watch back for more contests. We plan on running them on a regular basis. If you're watching this before then, please make sure that you are subscribed. You have to be subscribed in order to enter this contest. And then come back and tell me in the comments that you subscribed. Make sure you like as many videos and comment on as many videos as you can. And that gets you entries into our contest. They have some wonderful products to give away. And I can't wait to see all of the comments that you leave on my videos. So please go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for your continued support. You know, if you're a YouTube watcher, you know how important it is for us to grow our channel and to have that interaction from you. So if you are interacting with us and you are liking our videos and commenting, we really appreciate that. Continue to do so. Leave all your questions and comments below, and I will be sure to come back and answer them for you. Next weekend is Thanksgiving for us here in Canada. So I will be testing some recipes this week for how we're going to do our Thanksgiving meal as a family. So I'm sure I will share some of that with you as well. But that's basically it. It's a full week of creating and collaborating and getting back into some healthy habits. And I'm happy to bring you along and share on my journey. So be sure to leave some comments below and let me know what kind of content you would like to see from me. Leave me any questions that you have, not only about my business, about the crafting and the creating that I do, but also about my ketogenic lifestyle and how we live that as a family. I'm happy to share that information with you and explore more if that's of interest. Take care, everyone. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Stay safe and be well, and I'll see you again next week.